Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day today. Today is a day I never thought would come. I never thought I would see this day. I am unboxing my first ever piece of luxury, ready to wear, luxury designer clothing. Yes, I did say I never thought this day would come, and I don't know if you've noticed, but I am not 5'10" and a UK size 4. I am short of leg, wide of girth, long of body and vertically challenged. I'm 5'4", at least I was the last time I was professionally measured. I'm probably about 5'3" or 5'2" now because apparently we shrink. And yes, I've got the ladies. They don't fit into much generally, let alone designer stuff. And my widest point is my tum-tum. There you go. So yeah, ready to wear, luxury ready to wear, to me has been a distant dream. Yes, dream, that's the right word. Until I saw this. I was browsing a website. I saw this. I saw the sizing it came in. I took a sneaky little look at the size guide because it was, you know, extra small, small, medium, extra large and double XL. And I thought, well, I was just going to see what they call a double XL. Pff, I bet it's a size UK 14. That's double XL, isn't it? Pff, yes. And it said UK size 18. And I went, I said, what now? And immediately panicked. Can it be true? Can it really be? So I sat on it because it is still luxury and therefore luxury prices. We're not talking thousands, it was in the hundreds, but it was more than I've ever spent on this kind of item before. And that includes my wedding dress. And then it went out of stock and I was like, boo! And then I just happened to be looking for something else and I saw it because I had it saved to my favourites on this particular website. And it was showing us back in stock again, so I bought it and I ordered it, and then I went and told the lion and I said, oh, I've just done this. And if you can tell, all I've done is I've taken out the address thing in there, and this is the box. This is the box. It is a very plain box. And I was going to say there are no hints on the box, but this tape that they've used to tape it up is a hint. So let's get into it and see if all of my luxury ready-to-wear dreams are going to be answered by this piece. This might not be a great idea. Trying to do this standing up, or it's quite light. Or if it's going to be a fail of epic proportions. Me getting all excited for no good reason. But before we get into what's in this interesting looking box, if you are new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, get down there, hit subscribe, ring my bell and don't miss out on any of my shenanigans. Plenty exciting ones coming soon, so keep your eyes peeled. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Right, let's get into this. I've done the sides. I don't know if that's enough. Is there something else I need to do? Is it just a... Oh. Honestly, if this works out... Ooh, I'm going to be so excited. So excited. Ooh. Let's have a look at it together. In the words of Mama Thorpe, it's Viv. How cool is that? Oh, I love the way the box opens. Ridiculous, I know. It's a cardboard box, Gwenny. Get over it. We have a, this is the first time I've ever bought anything from Viv online. I've bought in boutique before, I've bought in department stores, I've bought in Bicester Village, but I've never bought online. Thank you for shopping with us. If you need to return, please follow these simple steps. It's a 14-day return. It is Sunday that I'm filming this. What the heck is this? And it arrived on Tuesday, so I've been scared. I've been scared to open this in case dreams shattered. I don't know what this is. It is some paper with the Viv orb on it. Is that wrapping paper? Don't know. Never done this before, so it's all very exciting. It's all very new. There's a return label and my details, the invoice details. Okay, now we get into the good stuff. I really like this box. Okay, let's see if we can get this out of the box without... Oh, it feels... if the box is large and felt quite light, but this feels pretty weighty. Okay. Where's the label gone? I want the label. There we go. Okay. Everyone hold your breath. Everyone hold your breath. I have bought a Vivienne Westwood dress. Does that look like my bum's going to fit in it? We're going to find out. This is the new Drape Tunic in navy in a fluid viscose jersey in size XXL. It was £365. That's the Viv label. That's the Forest Positive Viscose label. These are the details, and there's a couple more clear labels on here, see-through labels, which the fabric of this garment is fragile, so we recommend handling it with care. Please pay particular attention when wearing watches and jewellery. Yes, this fabric can present certain irregularities which are characteristics of the cloth and therefore should not be considered as flaws. Okay. This Forest Positive Viscose is responsibly sourced and certified by the Forest Stewardship Council. The goal of the FSC is traceability within textile supply chains. Plant-based fabrics such as viscose can be considered environmentally friendly if sourced from well-managed forests. The FSC is collaborating with Canopy to ensure sustainable management of forests and the welfare of workers worldwide. Now, Viv, oh look at the label. Oh my god, I've got something with a Viv label on it, and it's not a bag or a scarf or something. Viv has always been a real front runner for decades in sustainability and whatnot. I mean, luxury is luxury. There are arguments about, I don't want it to be good for the environment, I just want it to be good for me in that moment. But I think if you can have both, why not have both? I am going to attempt to put this on and show it to you. Let's see if it fits. And then if it does fit and my heart hasn't been broken, we can have a conversation about whether you would like to see a styling video, because I have ideas. I have ideas. It is a mini dress. It's asymmetric. So it's got asymmetric. You could probably, I don't know if you can see, one arm looks longer than the other there. It's got this sort of draping. I'm going to try it on and then it might make a little bit more sense. I'm in. I've got natural light today, and I hope you can see just the most beautiful inky kind of midnight blue. We've got the asymmetric neckline here, which comes up a bit higher, down slightly off the shoulder. I'm wearing a bra because I have to. It feels great. It feels amazing. The sleeves are quite long. You can see the sleeves are very long. It's not as loose on me as it should be. The ruching here is more just covering my tummy rather than ruching. But yeah, let's see if I can get you a full length shot. So it's short, like I said before, I've got a really long body and really short legs, but I do like it. I would need to be very careful about bending over to pick things up. I would have to wear some better underwear, I think, to stop some of this lumpy bumpiness. And the ruching here is, oh my god, just look at this fabric. It is just beautiful. Oh, I actually feel really good. I mean, I still feel a little bit like a snake who swallowed a little piggy, but, and I like that this side has this teeny tiny little cutout bit here, but this side doesn't. So tummy aside, that kind of tummy belly bit, I really like it. I feel pretty, it just feels amazing. I'm just missing one thing. I'm missing my martini glass. Now I just need to get the lion to make one for me. I'm back. I'm out of the frock. I do wish it had come with a Vivienne Westwood hanger. That would have been a really nice touch. But yes, I have a lot of styling to do to see if I can make this truly work for me. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this dress. I think I probably could do with losing a couple of rolls round the middle to show it off at its best and to feel fully comfortable, because I'm not a huge fan of wearing instruments of torture underneath my clothes. It just doesn't appeal to me. Edit Gwenny here. After calming down and leaving it a few days, I decided to try this dress on again with an instrument of torture I already had in my possession. Now, this particular instrument of torture won't work with this dress because it's too long, but I thought it would at least give me an idea on what it would look like with such item underneath. It still wasn't great, and I thought to myself, if I lose weight, then the dress is actually going to be too big for me. So really what I should do is return the dress, work on the old physique a little bit, and then buy some ready to wear. I was in two minds about whether to share this with you, but I thought for anyone out there who is a similar size to me, if not similar shape, it might be helpful to know that actually you can buy ready to wear in larger girl sizes, and I think that is brilliant. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've been excited about it as I was to find out that luxury designer ready to wear can come in big girl sizes. Yes! If you did enjoy this video, then please do show it the thumbs up love. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe. Be kind to yourselves, be kind to others. Stay Fandabbydozy, stay fabulous, and bye-bye!